All right, good morning, everybody. We're back on the 78 Ford today. Today's job is I want to remove the dash and I want to take it home and start sanding it up and cleaning it up and whatnot, one thing and another. So follow along and we're going to rip this dash out of here. Oh yeah. Yeah, but I got to get up on my knee here to see.
You don't need that there, you need that over here.
What?
I got the screwdriver for them. That's those little short guys.
Yeah, I know. Oh great, this one is rusted bad. That one is rusted bad. There would be nice windshield, wouldn't it? Camera's right behind you.
Well, I hope I'm not blocking the way too much.
That's all right.
It's only a sheet metal screw.
No, but it's stripping the head.
Oh. Well, maybe that's not a good tip.
It was sitting okay over here on these ones, but there's rust in this one. And chisel the rust out. Can't get on that any other way. What can I use? I gotta get a little pick this time. See the rust that's in there? I'm just gonna try and pick that out. Oh my God. You got them all out already?
What's that?
Oh,
I gotta clear them out.
I see that. Oh. Looks like I got it cleaned out. Did you get it? I thought so. Oh, got a rear view mirror in here. Hello. Oh, where was that bolt? Way up there. I think it's a 7/16. I can't see, Batman. nice that the cab's on the ground.
Yeah, well,
A little easier on the body. You know what? I think that's a ½ inch. Yeah, it is. ½ inch.
figures.
Rat's ass.
All right, well, work on that other corner one over there.
Oh, you didn't get it out yet? Oh, you didn't get that one yet. Can't see. Okay. All right. There she goes. Not a whole lot holding these dashes in. It's these Phillips screws across the top, and there's 2 bolts, one on either corner. The bolts, or the screws in the top, they just kind of look like that. There's 5 of them by the looks of it. And then we've got to remove this radio, which isn't staying in here. It's an old cassette deck, for crying out loud. Who wants one of them? We don't need this. I don't think I'm going to have a wrench here the right size. There she goes. Well, it's a nice sunny day anyway. It's about 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. It's not overly warm, not too cold. I got the ashtray all sanded and primered at home. Turned out pretty good. Nuts, a million threads. This would have been a nice deck in its day. It's an old Alpine, but it's a cassette deck. Who has cassettes anymore? The same amount of people has 8-track, probably. Started to turn. There she goes. I brought a bigger wrench for this. Oh, okay. Thing's broken anyway.
You breaking things again?
Oh, I'm always breaking something. Cassette deck from the 80s, I think. Just trying to get these flat nuts out. You know how tight they can be. Go around and around. There's another piece. Oh, are you serious? Got my foot stuck in the rust hole. Turn. morning. Somebody really reefed that in there.
9/16.
Yeah, you don't have one here, do you?
Nope.
I know. I didn't want to walk all the way back.
Yeah, I know.
That's okay, it's coming. Once I get it so far, I can thread it by hand. I think I can put it on so unless it's stripped. Wow. Anyway, that is not wanting to come unless I get a 9/16.
You don't need to take that out anyway. The whole thing dash is coming out, so it's coming with it.
Wow, yeah, I know that. I just wanted it out of there.
And you can take it out there later.
Yeah, I guess so. What size would you use in there?
It said 1/2 inch, so
That's the one. That's what I said. That's the one. Just gotta get a bite on it. Oh. Oh. Come on, crusty truck. Oh. Wow. That baby's in there tight. long bolt. Of course, it doesn't want to come out by fingers yet. Come on now, here we go. That one's out. Oh. Okay, that's free. What do we got over here, Tommy boy? What are we playing with? Holes are out. That is out. Speedo cable. Can stay in there. Get that out of that clip. What have you got left here, Tom?
Sorry?
What have you got left on this side?
This one here at the bottom.
Oh, that's it? This one's out. Where did that one come from? Oh, you're taking emergency brake off. Okay. I see ya. Anywho, we'll get back to you when we get this thing out.